Hey, what's up, future millionaires? It's Wealthera here. If you're sick of hearing the same old start a blog, invest in stocks, or flip real estate advice for passive income, this video is for you. Today, I'm dropping the one passive income idea for 2024 that nobody's talking about. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind. You're going to want to watch until the end because I'll show you exactly how people are making thousands a month with this method. No huge investments, no crazy technical skills. Okay, I get it. You've heard the same passive income ideas 1,000 times, right? Start a YouTube channel, they say. But here's the catch. They forget to mention you'll have to upload 200 videos before you even see your first dollar. Or they say invest in real estate. But hey, what do you do if you're not sitting on a pile of cash like a monopoly tycoon? But what if I told you there's a passive income strategy no one is talking about? One that doesn't involve huge upfront costs or years of content creation. Introducing content licensing. Boom, let me break this down for you. Imagine you create a piece of content, like a video, a digital product, or even music, and instead of endlessly selling it yourself, you license it to a company or platform that needs it. They pay you every time it gets used. You do the work once and get paid over and over again. Imagine you made a cool stock video of a beach, right? Now, Netflix or YouTube creators can license it for their videos, and cha-ching, you get paid every time someone uses your footage. Or let's say you're a musician who made a track that sounds like just the right vibe for background music. A brand needs it for their ad. Guess what? They pay you licensing fees and boom, you've got money rolling in every month without lifting a finger. So why is content licensing the move for 2024? Because we're living in a time where content is king. Every brand, every company, every YouTuber out there needs original content. And here's the kicker. Most of them don't want to make it themselves. They're looking for you to fill the gap. You create the content, and they pay you to use it. Whether it's stock photos, music, video clips, or even courses, companies will happily license your creations. Okay, enough talk, let's get to the action. Here's how you can get started with content licensing in 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose your content. Think about what you're good at. Are you a decent photographer? Bam, stock photos. Can you make a 30-second video clip? That's gold for a brand. Got an original song lying around? License it. Heck, if your cat is cuter than average, start recording her. Perfect for pet brands. Step 2, find licensing platforms. Next, sign up on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5 for videos and images. For music, check out Audio Jungle or Artlist. You can even sell course content on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. It's like setting up a shop, but you don't have to be there every day. Step 3, let your content work for you. Once you upload your content, sit back, relax, and let the platforms do the heavy lifting. They market your stuff to buyers, and you get paid when someone licenses it. Easy money while you're doing literally anything else. Boom! Now you know the passive income idea for 2024 that nobody's talking about, content licensing. You create something once, and it keeps paying you for years. It's like having a money printing machine, but legal. If you found this video helpful, and you're ready to start making passive income, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below with what content you're thinking of licensing. Oh, and make sure to check out my other videos for more wealth-building hacks. Let's get rich in 2024 together. Until next time, keep chasing those dollars while you sleep.